Hi there, and welcome to 272analytics.com's tutorial on how to leave notes in a Stata dataset. In order to do so, let's go ahead and pull up a dataset. Census 13 is preloaded, so it's a good option. I'm going to go ahead and enter this command for you here so you can see what I've done. It's just notes and colon, followed by the note that I want to drop. And when I want to pull up that note later, I'll just type notes. So I'll see that it's numbered here because that was the very first note that I entered. I can do a couple of other things. I could go ahead and enter TS here for timestamp for a subsequent command. And when I've done that, you'll see that indeed there's a handy timestamp here for the second note that I've put in. For most purposes, it's not going to be necessary to know how to do like conditional notes and different note types and how to pull up and search from different notes. That's more a kind of a data science procedural thing where, you might have multiple authors and, very, very complex data sets. For the purposes of student work and graduate student work, most likely you wouldn't need to leave more than, maybe a dozen or 2 dozen notes in a data set. It is good though to know how to have them there because things can get lost if you're sending them through email or if you're trying to put notes in a different version of the document or whatever. It's very handy to just be able to pull up the notes in Stata, and the command for doing that is really simple. So is the command for dropping them when you're done. You would just enter notes and drop all, and note that there's a space here between the underscore. You enter that and you see that the notes were in fact dropped. So that is how you enter notes into and delete notes from a Stata dataset. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I would like to invite you to visit 272analytics.com for access to all our free statistics tutorials in Stata, SPSS, R, eViews, and Minitab. Here at 272analytics.com, we provide data consulting primarily to graduate students. Therefore, we work very closely with you in order to perfect your Chapter 3 and Chapter 4. That means helping you design surveys, getting your data input, assisting you with fashioning appropriate research questions and hypotheses, getting your data, extracting them, transforming them, cleaning them, putting them through analysis, interpreting them, explaining them to you so that at the end of the day, you know exactly what story your data tell, why they matter, what they mean, in a manner that lets you write a perfect Chapter 4 following a perfect Chapter 3 and lets you defend your dissertation or thesis with complete confidence. We provide ethical consulting. It's not a writing service, so you will be responsible for taking our blueprint, our assistance, our consulting, and transforming them into an appropriate academic project for yourself. I'd also like to remind you that we provide the same services to undergraduate students who are working with quantitatively oriented assignments. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.